The use of has, have, and had. In this article, we will focus on the verbs has, have, and had. The verbs has, have, and had describe that something belongs or belonged to someone or something. Has is used for the singular third person point of view. This means the subject is a singular noun or the personal pronouns he, she, or it. For example, she has a beautiful dress. He has many cars. It has a lot of milk. Have is used for the singular first person. This means the subject of the sentence is the personal pronoun. For example, I have 2 books. Have is used for the singular or plural second person. This means the subject of the sentence is the personal pronoun. For example, you have dozens of reports to finish. Have is used for the plural third person. This means the subject may be plural nouns or the personal pronoun. For example, they have many cupcakes for sale. Had shows the past tense of has and have. It is used with the singular or plural pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it with had. For example, I had a thought. We had a grand party. You had washed the clothes. They had seen you coming. She had a good experience. He had a good teacher last year. Thank you very much.